Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Belarus. So let's get started. So as you can see here, uh, Belarus has thousands of people unemployed and then can make money online, and the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So let's go to the best website of freelancing. So Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where anyone can sell anything to the potential business owners. Okay, buyers or potential buyers. So here we can see, so what to sell. So you have to sell your online services like your social media management, image removal, then produce your YouTube intros, finding the images, and image resizing and optimization, documentation, translation, and other things. So free Fiverr is a very great platform to sell. You can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.